In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and format messages in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Slack is a powerful tool for communication, and knowing how to format your messages can really help convey your ideas more effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your desired channel or direct message. Once you're in, type your text in the message input field. Suppose you're working on a project update. A simple "here's the project update" can easily brighten up your message. So after you've typed your text, highlight the specific words you want to enhance. This makes it easier for your colleagues to spot what's important, like any key deadlines or major changes. Now let's explore basic text styling options. Right below the input box, you'll find the Rich Text Editor toolbar, which offers some handy features. For example, if you want to emphasize some key words, simply click on the B icon to make the text bold. This is great for reiterating important points. Do you want to add a touch of subtlety? Here's where italics come into play. Click on the I icon to give certain words a gentle emphasis. This can make your messages sound more conversational and less rigid. And if you've made a mistake or need to show revisions, the strike-through option is just a click away. You can find the crossed-out text icon, which allows you to display any edits clearly. Now let's discuss adding links and lists to your messages. If you want to embed a clickable URL into some of your highlighted text, maybe leading to a document or an article, just click on the chain link icon. Paste in your URL, and with a simple click to save, your highlighted text will turn into a hyperlink. This makes it easy for your teammates to access relevant resources without having to copy and paste a long URL. When it comes to organizing information, lists can be a game changer. You can create numbered lists for step-by-step directions, which adds clarity to your messages. Just click on the numbered list icon whenever you have sequential information to share. Alternatively, if you want to highlight several key points, the bulleted list icon serves that purpose beautifully. Lists can make your messages easier to read and digest, especially in a fast-paced work environment. Now, let's look at some advanced text blocks. If you're sharing a quote from a significant source or just want to highlight an important statement, click on the quote icon. This will indent the text, providing a visual separation that draws attention to the quote. And if you're communicating something technical, using code blocks can be incredibly helpful. Just click on the code inline or block icon, represented by the characters. This allows you to format technical snippets and code neatly, making it easier for your team to read and copy. And there you have it. Formatting messages in Slack can elevate your communication and ensure that your colleagues are on the same page. It's all of your text visually appealing and easier to comprehend. If you enjoyed this class on Slack design and formatting, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy messaging!